LakelandCarKeys.com. I'm currently sitting in a 2015 Ford Explorer. It just got a new OEM transmission directly from Ford, and we have to go ahead and update the solenoid body service information. So we have to pull in the solenoid body strategy number and also the solenoid body ID, and we are using Forscan to do so. Alright, I actually just finished this process using the Forscan app with my computer. I'm plugged into my J2534 down there, and now I'm just getting ready to go on the road test and to do the adaptive learning. Basically, you gotta drive, get it up to speed, let it slow down, and let it learn its shift points and everything else that it goes through. So here I am going, just double checking all the shift points, and transmission seems to be shifting smoothly. I'm not doing any live data, so I don't need the computer, but I'll give it about 10 miles, stop and go, stop and go, stop and go, and let it go ahead and just relearn everything. Alright, so from inside Forscan, first thing you want to do is make sure you're connected to the vehicle. Alright, so I just turned the key on and I am connected, but down here you would go ahead, hit that little connection down there, and it would go through all the modules and make sure you're connected. So your screen will look like this. It'll probably take about a minute or two to go through. Alright, so we don't want program and configuration. So first we want to go into the little wrench icon, and the first option that says clear transmission adaptive tables. As you can see, I'm already completed successfully. I already did that. You'd want to go ahead and just run that, and pick the little run down the bottom, and then once that's done, you would go into this little chip icon, and then in the list it would be, we're in the log right now, but in the list you want transmission characterization update. Again, down the bottom, run that, and then you can see the log, and you can see I already did it. It went through, blah blah blah. It'll have you input your strategy from your list, boom boom boom, and you can see when we started, our strategy was the one ending in 6745, and when we're done, we're 9706. So the new strategy and the new serial valve both went in and programmed together. We were connected to the internet. Once we put in that first strategy number, it went on the internet and got the file that we needed and programmed it to the vehicle. And then once that's done, just go into your DTCs, which is this little icon up here. Go into your DTCs and erase it just in case there's any old codes from when they were working on the vehicle. And once that's done, just cycle the key off, cycle it back on, and you want to take the vehicle for a drive. You want to make sure it goes through all the gears. You want to slowly speed up through all the gears, and then slowly slow down through all the gears to complete stop. And you do that in between 5 to 10 times. Try to put some mileage on it, and you should be done. And like I said, this one shifted flawlessly. There was no check engine lights on. I mean, the car's not on now, that's why it's showing, but the only thing that was on was that tire pressure monitor sensor, which has nothing to do with what we're doing. But I just want to give y'all a real quick rundown of Forscan and programming those shift strategies with it.